Guys, I just found out that I'm moving. I feel like I just moved. I literally feel like I just did a moving vlog, okay? I feel like I've done so many moving vlogs. I love, 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 love my apartment so much. You have no idea. I love this place, but there are one, a lot of downsides, and two, I want to move in with my boyfriend. We've been together for a year and a half. We are kind of in it for the long run and we're just ready. And we viewed this apartment the other day that was my dream, my literal dream. It was perfect, it was beautiful, it was stunning, it was everything I could ever possibly want. And we just found out that it's ours. So I'm really excited. I am so sad to leave this place behind, but in my head, I was not expecting any of this to actually happen. It's happening so quick. Like, it is September 9th. Literally tell me why I have to be out of here October 1st. How is that even possible? I'm gonna do some deep cleaning and decluttering today. Get this place cleaned up, get some pictures taken of it. Let's go. I have this huge box of stuff that I need to ship out to ThredUp because I like to recycle my clothes that way. So this needs to go into my car to be shipped out. First order of business is going to be clothes because I have so much clothes and I actually do need to get rid of some. Like, this is the state of my room right now. Like, my bed does take up my entire room, but it is like, there's just too much stuff everywhere. And it's too much clothes, you know what I mean? Like, it needs to be stopped. I'm just gonna start all of this by putting all of this stuff away. Basically deciding, like, what am I keeping? I just did all my dishes and I got to thinking, I feel like I have too many dishes, like way too many cups. I need to go through some of that stuff and like get rid of it. Like an apology video. It's like I come over, I'm like,
hi vlog.
So we're in the new apartment, not like officially, but we're allowed to come in and start like moving / cleaning. You anything to say? You haven't been on the channel in a long time.
Hi channel. Today we're cleaning.
This is our first apartment together. Can you believe it? Remember last year when I was like, OMG, get ready with me to go on a date with this boy? It was him. And now,
here we are.
We're here.
Where do we start?
Oh, girl. We're in our new apartment. And I'm gonna show you guys a empty apartment tour. So sorry for the echo because it's very empty. This is our like dining / kitchen. Oh, come on, videographer, let's go. This is the full pan. Jake is behind the camera. Wait, flip the camera. Oh. So yeah, this is our kitchen, and then we have this tiny little room. It's probably supposed to be for storage, but we're gonna use this as Gio and Clover's little room. It's my perfect door height. Look at this.
It's funny.
And then obviously, like, look how stunning this like lofted living room is. Obsessed with it. And of course, the black and white stairs. This is the living room. This way, up these little stairs, is my favorite feature of the apartment. Look at these. But these are some really big closets. Like this thing is huge. Oh my God, imagine this for when my friends come over. Like mini tiny mattress. It's just like a bed in a closet. Ivan would love to sleep there. If we put the beanbag chair in here, he would be like, yes. This is our bathroom. Big tub with jets. And the skylight in the bathroom is crazy. And then we have the big mirror, and we'll both have like drawers on each side, which is so nice. And then we have our laundry, and then these. My skincare is gonna go crazy in here, I'm just saying.
I know, I'll have like 1 out of the 6.
Okay, and then this room is going to be my podcast studio. So I'm gonna have, hopefully if the math is mathing, my futon will fit here.
That's actually a good spot too.
I think it's gonna be the perfect length. So yeah, this is gonna be the podcast studio. We have this light here that's gonna be really great. And it's just gonna be like the studio space. And then there's a really big closet that goes like way back. This is gonna be Jake's room. We're gonna have an extra bed in here for when friends come over. Tons of closet space here, so. This is the primary bed. We're gonna have our bed over here. It has it's funny saying high ceilings because it's only like half high. It's like, yeah, they're high ceilings until you get over here. So we're kind of, depending on the TV situation, we might not even be able to mount something up here. And yeah, we have this is kind of a small closet, but we have so many other closets that it'll be fine. And this is I hate that the fan is attached to the light, but this is a primary bathroom. And then this is the tube shower.
With a sus attic.
So that is a tour. So let's get into the moving process because that's gonna be...
Transition.
Oh. I'm just cleaning here. Let's do what's in my bag, cleaning product edition. Ooh, hit it Fergie. All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, looking at my... Okay, Jake is cleaning the bathrooms upstairs. I'm just gonna get going on the kitchen. You guys, this lighting is everything. I'm obsessed. We just moved to my apartment. We grabbed a bunch of random stuff that I already had packed just to get it out of the way. My apartment right now is literally a 2-minute walk from the new apartment, so moving is really easy. Yeah, just bringing a couple things over and we're gonna call it a day. Oh, the fall leaves. So nice. Fall leaves. Look at them. Fall leaves make me so happy when they're here.
That's round 1. Round 1. Look at that hair.
Wait, but why is this background kind of eating down with the plants and the stairs?
It does.
Like, why is that kind of eating? Okay, so that was our first little mini moving day.
Time to get grub.
We're gonna go eat. We'll see you guys, at least I'll see you very soon. You'll see him again, I'm sure. Okay, it's the next morning. I'm really sorry about the echo. Like, I do not have it in me to set up a mic right now because my mics are all packed. It is what it is, you know what I mean? Like, we'll be okay. I wanted to show you guys what I got at Target and TJ Maxx last night. So the first thing I got were these drawer liners. Jake thought this was a good idea to put in the bathroom cabinets because since we'll have like products in there, if it leaks, at least it gets on here. I don't know why there's a shoe size 6 sticker in here. So I got 2 of those. I also got this Poo-Pourri, like, please, I'm living with a man. You know what I'm saying? I got washing machine and dishwasher cleaner pods because the dishwasher here, I opened it yesterday and nearly vomited. Like, it stank. I got those, and then I got a garbage disposal cleaner as well because I'm extra like that. It needs to be clean. And then Target, I got Clorox wipes, lavender and jasmine. My favorite thing ever. These. They're like vegan Pop-Tarts. Okay, I needed more multi-purpose cleaner because we just about ran out yesterday. I usually get the Myers, but just depending on the scent, I got the Fall Leaves scent and it smells so good. Toilet cleaner, this is just the Clorox Clinging Bleach Gel. You can never have enough. Command Velcro, I guess. I'm in the bathroom and I think this is where I'm just gonna put all of my skincare stuff. Oh my gosh, it is the next day already. Like, how did this even transpire? Okay, so we're moving more stuff. I'll show you current status. And Jake is grabbing another carload while I sort of get some of this stuff settled into where it needs to go. I just hung up this tension rod in this closet. I hope it's strong enough, but I think we could put some like coats and jackets in here and just put that little over the door hanger thing on there. And most importantly, stocked up our cold drink freezer with Liquid Death. All right. I'm trying to get my studio set up because I have some upcoming recordings and I have no studio. That's like first project before anything else. I need that studio set up. I need to be ready to record, okay? I have sponsors. I have things in the works. It is 9:14, y'all. And I got this garment rack. I'm really bad at building stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can do this. Hey, it's me and Gio. Gigi. Okay. Anyways, I never closed out the vlog. A lot happened. It's like months later. I'm sorry. My hair is black now. Things have changed. We're moved in. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you want an apartment tour, let me know. I'll definitely do it for you. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'm making my YouTube comeback yet again. I say that every video. Hopefully this one is for serious. And that's all. I love you guys. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I don't know, whatever you feel like doing, do it. I need to go. I have to pee. I love you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.